How to check who visited your website. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up WordPress, and over here you would be able to find the option of plugins. Simply click on it, then search for Google Analytics over here and hit enter. Now scroll down, and here you would be able to find this particular plugin by Jeff Star. Simply click on it and install it and activate it. After that, you would be able to find it over on the settings tab. You would be able to find Google Analytics. Simply click on it. After that, you need to simply open it up, then open up plugin settings. Over there it would ask you for some ID, tracking ID, and in order to get tracking ID we need to sign up for a Google Analytics account. And after signing up for Google Analytics account, you would be able to find this particular ID over here that we need for our website in order to track its data. In case if you are not able to find it, simply search for measurement ID over here on the search bar, and you would be able to find it quite easily. Simply copy it up and paste it on your Google Analytics settings, and after that just select Google tag in the tracking ID and keep rest of the settings on default, and after that save the changes. And this way you would be able to connect your Google Analytics and the website, and you would be able to track the data on Google Analytics after that by going onto the section of reports. And over here, after it loads up, you would be able to find all the data related to your website, and you can make the strategies according to that. After that, you can also check the real-time data by clicking on this option of real time, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.